Today we will cook rice wine chicken. My family love rice wine chicken so much. We can cook rice wine miswa with the same soup broth. It's delicious. Let's cook. Sliced ginger. Black fungus. Wash black fungus. Cut into smaller pieces. Chicken. Cut into smaller pieces. 1 teaspoon shoshing wine. 1 teaspoon salt. One tablespoon cooking oil. Sauté ginger slices. One tablespoon sesame oil. Pour in chicken and stir fry. Two tablespoons rice wine and continue stir fry. Black fungus. Simmer for 2 minutes. 2 tablespoons rice wine and stir fry for 1 minute. 1 big bowl water. Medium heat simmer for 20 minutes. 1 teaspoon salt. After 20 minutes, pour in 1/2 bottle of rice wine to adjust per own preference. Taste and adjust per own preference. Simmer for 30 seconds. Rice wine chicken is done. Rice wine must pair with rice. Superb. I can finish rice wine soup. Can't have enough. Chicken is tender and delicious. This rice wine with rich taste and sweet. Satisfying simple meal. Let's cook rice wine miswa. Crack egg into bowl. Add water for more soup. Optional to add more rice wine for richer taste. Let it boil. Miswa. Add egg once miswa has cooked. Rice wine miswa is done. Miswa and rice wine soup taste great. Give it a try. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you again.